Hi everybody, this is AJ Country here out in Jacktown, Greene County, Pennsylvania. Here we got a Farmall 450, looking real nice right here. Looks like it was restored. Good restoration on it. Got a John Deere 3020 diesel. Looks really nice. Got a nice Oliver right here. 1555. With a wide front on it. Real nice. We got a case here. This is a Case DC. Don't know too much about them, but this is one of them. Good restoration. We got another case right here. An SC. Very nice. And then we got one here. It's not restoration yet. Nothing done on it. I don't know which one it is, but I'm guessing it's probably might be or different than the SC. This is a nice one though. Still in good condition. Then we got a custom 4020. Really nice John Deere. I think it is really cool to have in somebody's collection, and I bet the person really loves it. But this is all the tractors we got here out of the Greene County, Pennsylvania, out in Jacktown. Come stop by. Carnival and everything, all up there. Got food, animals, got it all. Alright, that's it for AJ Country. Thank you.